Hi, I'm Joe Curcillo, and I'm here with Carolyn Strauss. Today, we want to remind you to never let your vision grow stale.
It's an interesting time, right? Because what was true in 2019 may no longer be true anymore. And who you were as a company may not be who you are anymore. I have a friend who worked for T-Mobile, big executive at T-Mobile here in Colorado, and they had 10 floors of a building downtown Denver. And they let it go. Their entire workforce has now gone virtual, has now gone digital. So the question is, if your vision for your company was where the community gets together and you go into the lunchroom and everybody shares information, how are you going to do that now? So this may be a really good time to look at your vision for your company, and that is where you see yourself positioned in the marketplace and where you see yourselves positioned going forward, and make sure that that still works in 2021 and going forward.
One of my recommendations when it comes to your vision is ask your team, ask your employees. I recently consulted with a dentist who read to me the vision statement or his mission statement for his business. And when he finished, I sat in silence and he asked me what was wrong. And I said, do your employees understand that? Because I don't. Don't be afraid to go to your people now as things change and say, help me rewrite this vision so that you are more comfortable in it. And that will freshen it up and get your company moving forward.